Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. This is Bank Nifty's daily time frame. So in this video, let's understand how the Bank Nifty and Nifty are going to perform in the next few days by looking at the daily chart and also dissect the 5 minutes Bank Nifty chart of today to see if there is anything that we can learn from today's price action of Bank Nifty. So straight away coming to the point, this is the Bank Nifty's daily time frame chart. So here we have a candle representing every day. So coming straight away to this day, after the market we have seen a bullish close on Bank Nifty. But if you have seen our yesterday's and last couple of days video, if you're following us from the last couple of weeks, you know that this zone we have marked as a support for the Bank Nifty, and now we can see that Bank Nifty has taken a support from this level and has given us a green candle. Now we have to wait and see whether it gives us any confirmation candle, so that we can expect Bank Nifty, with a couple of pullbacks, if not straight in one day. It can eventually come to this point, because that is the next important level for the Bank Nifty. Even this level of 48,150 levels approximately, or 48,100 levels approximately. So right from this candle we can very strongly see that Bank Nifty is stuck in a sideways momentum. Okay, it's struggling, and in fact yesterday was the day where first time we have seen low getting break, okay, on a daily time frame here. Okay, so here we have this low uh, after it's been many days and even couple of months that we have seen now Bank Nifty breaking a swing low on a daily time frame. Okay, so here we have yesterday candle as a red candle, but today looks like it has taken some sort of support from this earlier swing low. But let's wait and see. So if this breaks, then again uh, we can come to a safe conclusion that the Bank Nifty has changed its trend. It has already changed its trend. Trends, most of the people think like a trend means only it's going to be an uptrend. No, there are three trends. One is up and the other one is down. And the very important point is the most of the people will forget that there is something called a sideways trend also. Okay, so a trend change means it's definitely, it doesn't mean that it is going to get reversed. If it is in an uptrend, a trend change doesn't always means that it's going to go down. Okay, so it's sideways only. So because Bank Nifty moves with the time, we measure any stock market chart in terms with in association with the time. We cannot change anything backwards, so you will have only one arrow that is representing towards the sideways. Okay, so right now Bank Nifty from the last couple of days is in the sideways momentum. If you notice, a Bank Nifty from this particular day, that is from October, okay, it has seen a high and it has seen a low and it has seen a breakout from there, and again it has seen a very small a high getting creating there, but then from there, we technically we didn't see any swing low getting broken. And here, as you can notice, yesterday and day before yesterday especially, okay, uh, see here is the yesterday's candle. I'm removing this candle for a moment. Okay, so here, as you can see, okay, this is a high. Okay, this is a high which is higher than the previous high right here. Okay, previous high right here. But look at this high created on January. A 5 candle becomes a 5 after yesterday candle close. This becomes the high, whereas this candle is clearly not a higher high. It has given us, a market has given us a situation where it is low. So this will change the color into the green. So now this is how the situation is. So now this early compared to earlier high, it is high. So let's mark even that as green, because this high is higher than high and this high is higher than this high. But this is the high that got created in a situation where it is lower than the previous swing high in a Bank Nifty on a daily time frame. And also, if you notice, it has given us a close below this swing low. Okay, so looks like it's taking some interest to go towards the downside Bank Nifty. But it is taking very strong support at this location. So we have to wait and see what's going to happen. But after that too, we cannot say that it's going to fall immediately, because this gap, all these gaps are going to act as support or resistance levels, right? So all these hurdles are there for the bank nifty if it has to come, because there are a couple of huge gaps here, for where we have to wait and see how the bank nifty is going to react for those gaps which are now going to act as supports for the bank nifty. But this is just to know the picture on a wider time frame on a bank nifty. But what should you really look to trade, because most of us are trading bank nifty or nifty in intraday time frames only. For derivatives there is an options. So this is just to know the wider picture and the major trend of the bank nifty, not to take anything into consideration to take your intraday positions. Okay, so that is how the bank nifty is located here. So if it is coming down, we have support levels marked from there to here, and the next support level is this entire zone itself. Okay, so but if it start for any reason, if it's start moving ahead towards the top, then this level is going to be a key level for the bank nifty, after which we can see this entire level is going to also act as a resistance for the bank nifty. So that is how here the bank nifty is looking on a daily chart. Hope you have understood something on a daily time frame of the bank nifty. Now let's see how the nifty is looking on a daily time frame. So let's remove all these drawings here, and now change our chart from bank nifty to nifty on a daily time frame. Yes, so it is a kind of similar situation here too for the nifty. So here it is taking support from this gap. Okay, so yesterday we have seen a negative candle, but it is an inside candle compared to the day before yesterday. And today it has exactly taken the support at this gap that is created on December 27 and 26 candles in the nifty. And also we have we have a couple of times nifty seeing a strong reaction from 21,750 levels. So from here, if you notice, we have seen a very strong pullback towards the downside, and then second time also we have seen a very strong movement towards the downside. So definitely for the if it has to, nifty has to rise, then this level is definitely going to act as resistance for the nifty. But for time being, we have this support taken by the nifty. So if it breaks on a daily time frame with a proper confirmation candle, then the next levels are going to be somewhere at 21,300 levels, and 21,000, anywhere between 21,250 and 300 levels. And after that we have a very strong swing low, that is this location, which definitely is going to act as a support for the nifty. It doesn't mean that it's nifty momentum is going to stop there, but these are the important levels to watch on a daily chart if you are a positional trader. But if you are an intraday trader, you don't have to worry about all this. You just have to create and do the same analysis on your daily chart based on your swing highs and lows, and then trade accordingly. All right, so both nifty and bank nifty are looking sideways, and today is a day where nifty and bank nifty both have taken support at their corresponding important levels, support levels. Okay, so let's see, we have both upper levels and bottom levels marked on the nifty and the bank nifty. So let's hope to see some a positive price action tomorrow. If not, we have to wait, and it all going to depend on like whether it's taking a support for to reach this high or to break this high. So that is important, right? So don't take anything into mind saying that it's going to strongly take momentum from here and break the all-time highs. It cannot be the case, but you should be really careful with your position sizings, especially in a market conditions like this, where we are seeing a couple of very strong moment towards the downside, but somewhere nifty and bank nifty both are taking supports and strongly rising back. So it's in a very strong sideways momentum. Both nifty and bank nifty have started accumulating at their levels. So be careful with your trades until it comes out and gives us a breakout either towards the upside or the downside to come to a confirmation. But that as of now, nifty is looking a very strong in terms of its sideways trend. Not when I say strong, it doesn't mean that. See, even here you have a higher low got created, but this low is still intact. It doesn't break yet in the nifty, like unlike bank nifty. Okay, so hope you have understood something from these two daily charts of nifty and bank nifty. All right, so let's now get into the 5 minute time frame of Bank Nifty and see what we can learn from the Bank Nifty 5 minute chart. Okay, so here we have the price action of the Bank Nifty today. All right, so all you have to do any particular and on any given particular day is to mark your swing high and low closer to the current price action level. So here is the way place where Bank Nifty has opened around 47,000 level. So the nearest swing reaction on the left for the Bank Nifty is this entire zone, because okay, see here you have one, but also here you have this highs, right? So all this put together, see, these are the two levels coming from yesterday. Okay, and also yesterday we have seen a very great momentum here, right from the 2 o'clock 2:05. We have seen very strong momentum, very strong price drop in the Bank Nifty. Okay, it has dropped around 600 points yesterday alone, within an hour or so. So it is kind of known fact that most of the times when you see uh, a great price action of that sort, then the next day is going to be, technically is going to be a sideways day. Actually yesterday itself, it should be a sideways day, because day before yesterday also you have seen a very strong momentum towards the downside. But yesterday somehow it has opened, it has struggled for a very long time, and towards the end it has given us a very great fall towards that level. Okay, so it's kind of expected to uh, markets to be sideways after seeing a very strong momentum like that. But let's see how it has gone. So opening, we have seen a green candle, and then we have seen a couple of red candles. So when your initial three candles on a 5 minute time frame are not in one single color, it means that the Bank Nifty is not, I mean, for any instrument for that matter, especially Bank Nifty, it's not it doesn't have a clear vision to move in one particular direction. So but when you see, but that's not the way to judge, but it helps to certain extent if you are a newbie on the market. Okay, so here you have seen a breakout at 9:30 candle, and by seeing this breakout, after a couple of candles, you can come to a conclusion that this is going to be a swing low, and that's going to be a support area for the Bank Nifty. Now when you see a 9:30 candle breakout into this zone after this level, immediately you have seen that this is an inside candle formation. A 9:35 candle is a candle which is inside the previous candle's real body. So here you have seen an inside candle formation. Now one can think that here you can enter into a trade, but where is your next target? Your next target either, I mean, on the downside there is no gap really. Okay, to take any trade, it's very close to this green zone, right? So risk versus reward ratio is not playing great here, so you should wait and see, wait for the next option, next trade. So again, here when you see a bearish engulfing pattern right there, a downside, it has closed exactly in a place where it is just above this area, this green zone. Okay, so again, you're looking very tight, you know you're looking at a very tight space where there is hardly any chance for the momentum. So from there, next chance is here at 10:15 and 10:20. So here there is a chance. Okay, here you can enter, but this as your target. So here it has reached almost your target towards the downside, but then again it has taken a rise from there, and here is the place where you can see a hammer at 11:40. Okay, so this is one location, an ideal location, and this hammer candle formation right there. Okay, with sorry, that's a shooting star pattern right there with a proper confirmation candle with this as your target, and see, this is definitely achieved. Okay, here you have couple of reasons to get into the trade. One is you have a good risk versus reward ratio. Okay, with that, okay, and see, some might have taken this as their reward, and some might have taken, because you already have marked this area, some might have taken this. So those who have taken this as their a target would have seen a good risk versus ratio of 1 is to 1.59. But here, for those who have seen this as their target, actually this is the right way to see this as your first target. Those who have not seen this as the target would have reached this, but those who have seen this as the target, For them, the risk versus reward ratios was not looking that great because it was around the zero point 0.9 only. All right. So, anyways, it's 93 points if you have taken this trade. If not, there's nothing. But overall, if you can see, okay, if you just all we are doing is just dragging the supports that we have taken from yesterday, and prices bank nifty has respected this level multiple times. Here you have seen a very strong hammer. Okay, so this and that, sorry, let me see whether this is no, this is not a hammer. This is it has got a shadow on the top as well, so it can be called as a spinning top. Okay, so but see, after that again you have seen 1 o'clock candle and 1 5 p.m. candle. Both this put together, it is giving you a candlestick formation called a bullish engulfing pattern. Okay, from there you have seen some sort of momentum towards the upside. This as your target that is achieved, and even your second target is achieved in this case. All right, so these are the couple of trades today from the bank nifty, but not a very great day in terms of movement or in terms of the number of trades that we have seen today. Okay, not very big movement. That is just, the fact that is because of the moment that got created yesterday. So that's it from today's price action of bank nifty, and that's it from the daily chart of bank nifty and nifty. Hope you have learned something out of this video, understood something from today's price action, and understood something from the daily time frame as well. Thanks for tuning in to our channel till the end, and please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet. And see you in the next post market analysis video. Until then, happy trading. See you again.